Hi my respected friends, the Mahzooz is going to start the new draw, that is fantastic draw, which is drawing on Friday. Many friends asking me how to play, what is the ticket price. So it is important for me. I gave you complete information about this. Friends, I try to understand in very simple way. This is simply addition to Saturday draw, which we are already playing. Objective of this draw, Mahzooz is attracting the more customers from all over the world. That's why they are launching the Fantastic Friday draw. This draw based on 6 numbers. You will select 6 numbers from 1 to 39. Many friends asking me about ticket price. So there is no additional charges. You are going to play 2 draws in same ticket price, that is 35 AD. Number 1 is Fantastic Draw, Fantastic Friday Draw, and number 2 is Mahzooz Saturday Draw. In same ticket price, there is no additional charges. It is offer from Mahzooz. Now come to the main point. What is the price? In Friday draw, it has only one prize, that is first prize 10 million AD. In case if you will match 6 out of 6 numbers, there is no prize. If you will match 5 numbers out of 6 or 4 number out of 6 or even 3 numbers out of 6, there is nothing. No prize. It has only one prize. In case of you will match 6 out of 6 numbers, you will match 5 numbers or 4 or 3, then there is no prize, any second prize. Next is the prediction for this draw. Many friends asking for that. Prediction for this draw. Friends, I can't give you the prediction according to the past history because it is the first draw and 6 out of 6 numbers is very difficult to match, but it is not impossible if your luck is on the top. But I collected some data when the new lottery started, new lottery of 1 through 39. I have some powerful numbers which attracts on first draw. I want to share with you. From 1 to 9, 2, 3 and 7. From 10 to 19, 13, 14 and 18. 20 to 29, 22, 23, 27, 28. From 30 to 39, 30, 32 and 35. Friends, these are the numbers and I am also going to select from these numbers. If you like any number from it, you can also choose. It's up to you. Now, last most important point, the pattern. My powerful pattern is I will select the numbers from 1 to 9 is one number. From 10 to 19, 2 numbers. From 20 to 29, 2 numbers. And in last from 30 to 39, 1 number. If you like this pattern, you can select your numbers according to this. And this is my simple guessing for this draw. This is the prediction for Friday fantastic draw, not Saturday Mahzooz draw. In my next video, my powerful prediction for Mahzooz Saturday draw. So wait for it. Good luck to all and goodbye.